So this is an ink stain that you paint over glass. So 3.5 coats. And when you think that it's still not dark enough, that's when it is, and that's when you bake it. 325 degrees for 40 minutes. That's hot. I would have sucked if I damaged it. So this is the glass Vitrea Pep by Pebeo paint. So this is an ink stain essentially that you paint over glass. So we are painting these green bottles black. This has been about 3 strokes with this. So it's kind of hard to paint with this. So we use a brush, and I use this as well. This is actually not that great. So the brush is better. Although if you have the budget, you have a lot of this stuff, you probably could use a foam roller and just roll it on. That probably would be your best bet. For these 3 bottles, I probably used up 1/8. So yeah, it really depends on your project. I also tried using sandpaper. It's a 60 grit, but honestly, you don't need it. As long as the labels are clean and off, this works. You can also use it for dishes, painting windows. Stains do come in tons of different colors independently, and you can buy a kit as well. We're gonna set this to bake on 325 degrees for 40 minutes. And then once this is done, it's going to be dishwasher safe. That's how you make any color of glass black, or any other color for that matter. So we are about 20 minutes in, halfway through. So I definitely say don't use sandpaper. Alright, it's been 40 minutes. Alright, so let's see what they look like. It's blacker than it was going in, that's for sure. Let's see the other ones. So you can definitely see some of the scratches from the sandpaper. The label's going to cover it, and it's not that noticeable. And again, definitely not translucent. Whoops. That would have sucked. That's hot. I would have sucked if I damaged it. Oh my goodness. Definitely way better. This is what the original looked like. When you do stick it in the oven note and bake it, you will have a little bit of smell when you open the oven, but it's not toxic. That's from everything that I've been reading. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project. And this looks really dope.